Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn. This is my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, I appreciate your loyalty. And let's get into the box. This is my premium, and I think this month we get a luxe box. Not sure. Either get the luxe or the base box. So it is St. Patrick's month, so it must be green. And the first thing we got is the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go moisturizer, sun protecting moisturizer. So I'm good to go with this because out in Arizona it gets hot. So I will definitely use this. And the retail price is $35. So that's awesome. And then we got the Beta Clarity BHA drops, and it's a serum. It says glow, so I'm thinking it might go into your foundation or something to make your skin glow. It's kind of like a milky, or if you just put it on as a serum, maybe your face glows. Helps improve the appearance of texture, draws out impurities, and minimizes the look of pores. Apply drops directly after cleansing and toning, 2 to 7 nights per week. Okay, so you use it at night, so I guess you don't really need to glow at night, unless you're gonna glow with the moon. And that is $48. Okay, so we have this brush set. There's 4 of them. It's a little hard. The stems are a little hard, but they're nice. Great color. And they go for they're the Diva eyebrow set, and they go for $48. So I could look like a diva. The next thing is by House Laboratories, and it's Slayer, so I'm assuming it's an eye or a lip. Looks dark, so it must be an eye. And as I rip into it, let's see. Like the top. It's like a chestnut. And it's an eye. Pencils I have issues with. It's like I almost poke my eye out. But let's check this out. It's called a Rip eyeliner. It's a Rip lip liner. Okay, not as bad if it's a lip liner, but an eyeliner, yeah. And that retails for $16. Then we have Kiss 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 And the color is Charlie. I know a Charlie. If you ever watched Vicky from West Coast Weeks, her adorable dog is named Charlie. Hopefully Vicky will come back to YouTube soon because I miss her and Charlie. And look at that. That is beautiful. And I guess it does go with that lip liner. You know what? It smells like peppermint. Here, Charlie, I want to give you kisses. Okay, and that. Feels good. That goes for $26. It's by Rowan Beauty. I like that. And there's one more thing in here, some large can. IGK Trust Issues Instant Scalp Treatment, Rebalancing Treatment. Okay. Sorry. Can you hear all that noise outside? Everybody's out on their toys. IGK Trust Issues Instant Scalp Rebalancing Treatment. It retails for $29. An instant non-greasy scalp treatment spray that helps to soothe, rebalance, and relieve a dry, itchy scalp. So I'm not sure if you put it on like when your hair is dry and you're just kind of itching, but there's a lot of directions on here. Oh, it's a can also be applied when hair is wet for a pre-styling scalp treatment. Spray onto scalp where a relief is needed. Lightly massage with fingers until cooling sensation fades. Oh, that's different. I'll give that a try. So we got the itchy spray, and we got the glow, and I will definitely try this. And we got the hangover, definitely give that a try. And we got the lip liner, and we got Charlie, and we got the brushes. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6 items in our premium box, and I will leave the total below. So what'd you think of the March's premium box? I liked it. You know, it's not overwhelming. It didn't, you know, obviously jump out with a palette or anything like that, but I do like skincare, so it did have that in there. So leave comments below. I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, thank you for watching.